This chair has got a remote. Isn't that sick? I got a smart chair here from Hbada. One of a kind, beautiful chair. It's got massage, it's got a fan, it's got heat, and it's got electronic lumbar adjustment. I don't know, it's cool. A tech chair, it has a remote. It even goes right back in. I don't know, it's just a really cool chair. It's an upgrade from the old, if you guys watched my old chair reviews, we covered the Hbada E3, and it's kind of a similar sort of feel, but it's got a lot more upgraded stuff. It's got everything a gamer could ever need to stay cool. If you're interested in the chair, I'll leave a link for it in the description. Make sure to use my discount code Noodle-X7. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, here it is. One of a kind, beautiful Hbada chair. Here we go, first look. All right. All right, there's the headrest. Yes, look at that, dude. That's shiny. Oh yeah. Okay, there's the left armrest. Here's the right one. Beautiful. There's the back. Look at that wide butt. My goodness. Look at that thing. That's nice. Big solid chunk of aluminum. This thing is heavy. I love that. And then we have the seat. Whoa. Look, leg rest already installed. Okay, so we have the seat. First look at seat. Pretty cool. Like I said, it's got a remote. It's got some brake lines and shit. Some hydraulics up in here. It's got like an ashtray or something down here. That's not an ashtray. That's for something. Oh, shiny, like kitchen sink. I look stretch resin this thing. What have we got here? Whoa, whoa. It's a battery pack. Oh, it comes with a battery pack. Yeah, that goes in the ashtray. What the heck? And we got a little screwdriver. All right, so that's it. And we got the Allen key that fits in these. All right, so we got all of our parts. So let's figure out how to put this thing together, shall we? Give it a good slap and then put the shock mount in. Boom, now you have the base for your chair. Boom. And now that that's on, I'm going to connect the back. Back is attached. Ain't going nowhere. That's part of the chair mechanism. It's these screws right here. There's 3, 1, 2, 3. They just line right up. So I'm just gonna go under here. I'm just gonna start one. It's got this like long slot. You can loosen it and kind of slide it out, like, see? Slide it in or out before you tighten it. So there's a little bit of adjustability in case you need some extra width for your arms or whatever. Chair, almost finished. Just a few more things and then some wiring, of course. We gotta attach the headrest. We're just gonna hang it on the top, like above, basically above these little circles, and kind of line that up and then just snap it in. And then if it's not lined up, you'll know. All right, headrest attached. In case you got a real short neck or you're 7 feet tall, they got you covered, even if you got a 16-inch neck. Okay, now I'm gonna push the battery in and see if it's got any juice. It does. It's full battery, the battery full. That's insane. That's insane. This box has been in my house for like a month. In the garage, in the freezing cold of Texas winter. The one week a year we get freezing. Hbada was out there. And the battery package is full. That's insane. Okay, here we go. First seat in Hbada X7. The fanciest chair I've reviewed yet. Oh, that lumbar support is literally like out of this world. Now, one problem that I had with the last one was that the flaps kind of like, they were independent. Like these things right here on either side were like independent, and that was kind of annoying, but it's just like a perfect hug for my back. Oh, No log, guys. No log confirmed. Let's take a look at the arms. All right. We got a full 360. We got front and back. We got up. All right. We got her up and down. And I guess if you want to get like extra wide, you could do like one of these. It has like a tiny little bit of give, not much. It's like, it's pretty hard, but it's also not like plastic. It's like really hard, like dense foam. And then we have this mechanism here. Okay, we push it forward to go forward. That's kind of cool. What do I do when I go back? Cool. Can I lock it back there? Okay, multifunctional toggle. This is amazing. We got lift. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good stuff. And that's it. That's the only only mechanical controls in the chair. No fumbling around down here trying to figure out what's going on, or over here, or trying to figure out what of the 4 levers is the one that you need to do to adjust. Nah, just this thing. I like that. All right. It's not flexing or anything. I got pretty heavy leg. It's definitely nice and strong. Most leg rests bend under the weight of my calf, but this one took it like a champ. Now let's take a look at the remote features. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, vent. Oh yeah. Oh, you can actually feel that. Because like the mesh is so thin, you just feel the air, no problem. Okay, so we got the vent. That's just cooling fan. That's nice. What is this? Smart track. Oh, it's auto tracking. Not touching anything. It's just going. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's massaging. Oh. Oh. Wait, that's actually good. It's not just a vibrate. It's got balls in there. There's a little ball in there. This is actually really nice. Oh, it's only on low. I'm scared. Oh my God. This is a real massage chair. This is actually real. This is not just a vibrator. Look at that. Watch me put it away. That looks like a video game. That's cool. And then we have heat, which is just like the fan, but there's a little bit of heat added to it, which I'll show you guys. We'll get a little more in depth on each one. I just kind of want to get a quick overview of each thing and kind of get more familiar with it. And then the last thing is, the heat is still on. Whoa, it started getting warm. This is the manual adjustment for the lumbar, so. Woo. All right. So there's all the functions of the remote. Quick overview. It's got little magnets in there to kind of keep it in place. One touch power button. That's a nice little feature. I like that. I like the little cord on it that kind of keeps it there so I don't ever lose it, because I will lose that little remote. And then this goes like, I think it's just a little magnet. It is. Yeah, just a little magnet. That's how you charge it. All right, so real quick, I just want to show the features. I do have this FLIR phone, so there is the warmth where I was sitting. I want to see if I can get temperature change with cooling. But you can see like the warmth from where my arms were, and then the warmth where my back was, and then the whole butt is just cool from the fan. So now I'm going to switch over to the heat one. You can see some heat down there. A couple of spots happening. Oh, it's also got some heat on the back. Okay, cool. So there you go. There's your heating and your cooling. It's definitely very warm right here and here. And then the fan's still kind of going. So I think the heat's specifically in the back, and then the cooling fan's in here. I don't think that the heat is fan based. That was Hbada X7. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash like, subscribe, show them some love, show them some support. Click the link in the description if it's something you're interested in. They have more affordable options out there, so if you want to buy like a more budget chair, they have plenty of options for those. But yeah, this is really like one of a kind, probably the most expensive chair I've ever reviewed, and probably the nicest chair I've ever reviewed. I really do like it. I like how versatile it is. It's got heating, it's got cooling. It checks all the marks for a really high quality, high class chair. It's got the massage feature, and they actually managed to pull it off really well. It's not just a little vibrator pad in there. The heating is real nice, and the cooling actually gets dispersed very evenly, like through this through their mesh. And I also really like their mesh. There's some people that make mesh like this and they don't do it right, and it ends up like poking you or like wearing out over time. But Hbada does a really good job with these, so I really like them. Anyways, tell me what you guys think of this chair in the comments. If you like it, if you dislike it, whatever, let me know. You know, any feedback whatsoever will help Hbada get better. But personally for me, I really like this. It's one of a kind chair. I like the aluminum. I like the build quality. You know, tying in electronics with a chair is always like a really cool thing. I think that's where the future's headed, you know? It's not just simple chair anymore. If your chair doesn't have a remote, then you're just not in 2026 anymore. All right, I'll see you guys in the next tech review. Peace. Buy it. Use my discount code Noodlenick X7. Bye.